Got this here Predator engine. Gonna see if I can get it running. Got a new blower. New pull start. This one's a little, yeah. What else I got here? Spark plug. On off switch. Wasn't getting spark. Hopefully that deals with it. Alright. Now to get this cover off. This doesn't look like it's in the best of shape. Ew. That is what goes to the spark plug. And that's broken. Alright, let's get this ignition coil out of here. I'm thinking this has something to do on why we're not getting spark. I think I'm gonna sand this thing down. Probably not the best thing, but that's what I got. Looks a little better. Just wanted to expose the metal. At least where the ignition coil wants to make its connection. Alright, let's run these wires. This guy has to go in here, right between that little notch, and out over here, pinched over here. Threw this guy back on. Now, blower. Line that up with the notches. And tighten it up. And putting on the new oil cutoff, safety oil cutoff thing, which I don't really use, but might as well since I have it. Install the kill switch. Now let's put the cover back on. Everything looks good so far. Make sure you ground that kill switch on this bolt. Get this pull starter installed. Alright, now let's get this spark plug in and then see if she starts. Alright, let's see if she starts. Oh. Sounds great. Ready for a go-kart frame.